Hello everybody, good morning. I am Dr. D.D. Sawant from Department of Geography, J.A.T Art Science and Commerce College for Women, Malegaon Dist-Nashik. Today we are going to see the topic that is a deposition. As everybody is knowing that rivers have often been described as the lifeblood of the earth. They redistribute mineral nutrients important for soil formation and plant growth and serve society in many ways. Not only do rivers provide us with essential water supplies, but they also receive dilute and transport waste, provide critical cooling water for industry and form one of the world's most important transportation network. Rivers have been of fundamental importance throughout human history. At any given time, about 1300 kilometer cube of water flows in the rivers of the world. Even though this volume represents only 0.003% of the fresh water, the work performed by this energetic flow makes it the dominant agent of landmass denudation. Of the world's rivers, those with the greatest flow volume per unit of time or discharge are the Amazon and the Prana of South America, the area of Africa, the Ganga of India, and the Changjiang and Zhejiang of China. Running water means the rivers is by far the most important agent of erosion, and hence the agents such as groundwater, glaciers, winds, and sea waves are locally dominant but affect only limited parts of the Earth's surface. As a fluid processes, if you see that stream related processes are termed as fluid. Fluid meaning river. The landforms shaped by running water are called fluvial landforms. Geomorphics seek to describe recognizable stream patterns and the fluvial processes that created them. Fluvial streams, like all natural systems, have characteristic processes and produce predictable landforms. Yet a stream can behave with randomness, unpredictability, and disorder. Insolation and gravity are the driving forces of fluvial system because they power the hydrological cycle. Individual streams vary greatly depending on the climate in which they operate, the variety of surface composition and topography over which they flow, the nature of vegetation and plants cover, and the length of time they have been functioning in specific settings. Weathering, wind, and ice dissolve or remove surface material in the process called erosion. Thus, the streams produce fluvial erosion, which supplies weathered sediments for transport to new locations where it is laid down in a process known as deposition. As a stream is a mixture of water and solid carried in solution, suspension, and by mechanical transport, alluvium is a general term for the clay silt and transported by running water. Hence, it is increasing to note that running water of the hydrologic system of the earth is the most important agent of erosion. Moreover, streams, valleys are the most abundant and widespread landforms on the continents. The work of streams modifies the landscape in many ways. Landforms are produced by erosive action of flowing water and the deposition of stream transported materials. Rivers create floodplains as they overflow during floods. As the drainage basin, those are integrated systems of tributary and trunk stream which collect and funnel surface water to the sea or lake. Some other bodies of water is known as river system. A drainage basin is a synonymous of river system. Drainage basin is the basic spatial geomorphic unit of a river system. Hence, the processes that loosen sediment and moves it from one place to another on the earth's surface is known as erosion. As running water erodes the rocks either by the chemical or the mechanical method, some of the rocks over which the water flows, as for example limestone, are dissolved in water. This process of dissolution is known as chemical erosion. The mechanical erosion is caused by loose solid material carried down by rivers in wearing away fragments from its bed and its